Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain why Edd China left Wheeler Dealers. Edd China departed from the popular show due to creative differences with the production company. He expressed concerns that the proposed changes would significantly reduce the depth and detail of the mechanical work, which was a core element of his role. He believed these alterations would compromise the show's integrity and his ability to deliver high-quality content to viewers. The core of the disagreement centered on the show's future direction. The new production team aimed to simplify the repair segments, making them quicker and less detailed. Edd, however, was passionate about showcasing the intricate processes of vehicle restoration. He felt that cutting corners on these explanations would diminish the educational value and authenticity that fans had come to expect and appreciate from his work. Edd's decision to leave had a considerable impact on the show's dynamic and its dedicated fanbase. His unique blend of expertise and engaging explanations was a hallmark of Wheeler Dealers. While the show continued with a new mechanic, Ant Anstead, many viewers felt the absence of Edd's signature in-depth segments. This shift marked a new chapter for the series, altering its established formula. Following his departure, Edd China didn't step away from the automotive world. He channeled his passion into new projects, most notably his YouTube channel, Edd China's Workshop Diaries. Here, he continues to provide the comprehensive, in-depth mechanical content that his fans love, free from production limitations. He remains an influential figure, sharing his expertise and enthusiasm for vehicle restoration with a global audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.